Angel makeup. If you know because now balloon kit. Bushmeat, they are inside the bush, speaking to themselves. And please, when did we invent a new month? Is that February he was trying to mention? Utobo, Ijele makeup. See, this time when they use the disgrace your useless family for internet, and I want to advise you, use and go register for adult education. It will favor you. At least you can even read. You and your gentleman will find teacher will go to teach you inside that bush.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, dear friends all over the world. Today is 7th of February 2026. This information is coming from the table of Triple General Igwe Botozo and Major General Gento de Yahoo and all the 40 state commanders in Biafra land. As the information reaching to my table to inform all Biafrans, order from the highest command of the Biafra Restoration Movement, Onyendu Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, has reached us that Monday sit at home is cancelled from today. Sit at home is a voluntarily and will not be enforced henceforth. Last Monday, sit at home February, 2nd of February, sit at home was a one-off event due to the Soludo's stupidity and will not happen again. Onitsha traders and Onitsha traders are Biafrans and our children must return to school on Mondays as commanded by our able leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Our job as guidance of Biafra land is to keep away Fulani terrorists from our land. That is the task our supreme leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, gives us, and we must follow it to the letter. No enforcement will be tolerated henceforth. Our traders should decide if they want to open or not. Any intimidation from Soludo or any government will force us to react. If Soludo is asked to lock down any shop in Onitsha, his family, house, and that of his in-laws will be destroyed too. We are peaceful people defending our land from Janjaweed killers, and we make no apology for that. Igbo politicians and the Nigerians should pray nothing happens to our supreme leader, Onyendu Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, because we would bring every politician children down and Nigeria will burn. Our people should see what is happening in Yoruba land as an example of what happens to a lazy cowardly people. Our supreme leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, secured our land by setting up Eastern Security Network, and we should all be grateful to him. And the Biafra Defense Forces, Biafra Liberation Army, Naval and Air Force hereby declare that it is our job to defend our land, and we must do it.
Bushmeat, they are inside the bush, speaking to themselves. Please, when did we invent a new month? Is that February he was trying to mention? Utobo, Ejemeko. See, this time when they use the disgrace your useless family for internet, I want to advise you, use them, go register for adult education, it will favor you. At least you can even read. You and your gentleman, when I find teacher, we go to teach you inside that bush, instead of when I come here, go to disgrace on a useless family. We no get respect for the first time. Please, who is begging you people to call off your seat at home? If you want to surrender, come out and surrender. This is surrender. I don't know what you think you're doing, but all I'm hearing is we have surrendered. We know that the governor has poured in security into the streets, and we are too cowardly to go and face them. In order not to look too weak, you are coming here now to lead. Oh, you are our leader. The pen where you take cry the nonsense still dey your hand. Which your useless leader where dey Sokoto, waiting in the like who still cares about what an imprisoned terrorist says? Shame na you hold on so. Shame, serious shame, and na that shame una go die inside. Una don go now, go dey pretend like say na by grace una wan end this. It's a lie. You see, my people have told you what Soludo did last week proved that we can solve this issue if there is a political way to do so. There is nothing stopping the governors from pouring security into the streets, into all these communities. These guys are not hiding in the moon. They are not hiding in the Uranus or Venus. These guys are inside all these bushes in Okigwe, Butus and Co. are in Ebenezer. So it's not as if it's difficult to clear out these people, but there's no political will to do so. Umutobo, nobody is begging you to stop by your people because they want to do their trade. So anybody who go stay home before, who be one stay home before, it is now voluntary. And you as Onigbo, ask yourself, what sort of slavery are you in that this Ozu bushmeat inside the bush is the one telling you when to come out and when not to come out? Do you just sit down and ask yourself, what has it gotten to that an Okoko, not elected to any office, not appointed into any office, just that he has bound himself together with the other criminals under the command of the Nnamdi Kanu, the newly convicted international terrorist, would come and decide when you will open your business and when you will not, and you still think you are a free man. Like you people just deserve to be treated like slaves. So if the governor did not threaten your source of livelihood, you people will still be sitting at home. And now Okoko is now trying to take the glory that they are the ones that I told you, that Nnamdi Kanu has released for Baba. Nnamdi Kanu, Baba for Brixton, part-time Baba, Ashawo Pikin. Idiot way your father now nothing until Ojuzo Kalu create autonomous community in their place. Some of us don't even know that. Not Ojuzo Kalu make your father traditional ruler. Prior to 1999, there was nothing like kingship in their place. Here, but it's in the autonomous. There were now confused. Oh, you say place. You say place. Then you know, princehood, Togo. Angel makeup. If you know, because now nobody is begging you people, and Governor Soludo, please do not fall for this trap. You see this shenanigan, no try. Don't fall for it. You people need to close down that Okigwe road from Umunze side. Work in tandem with the Imo State Governor to solve this if you people actually want to solve it. If you don't, tomorrow it will rear its ugly head again. No, na go dey suffer am. The other parts of Nigeria go dey move, dey go look at Lagos. See Port Harcourt to your backyard there. See Delta State across the bridge. So no, na go decide how una wan take do una place.